The HiLIFE Steamer for clothes presents itself as a powerful and convenient solution for battling wrinkles on the go. Its primary selling point is its portable handheld design, which is remarkably lightweight and easy to maneuver around a garment hanging in a closet or on a door hook. Unlike a full-sized ironing board and traditional iron, this steamer is designed for quick touch-ups and effortless use, making it ideal for a fast-paced morning routine or for freshening up an outfit right before an important meeting. The unit feels sturdy in hand, and its compact form factor allows for easy storage in a suitcase or a small drawer, truly living up to its promise of portability for both home and office use. The overall construction suggests a thoughtful approach to tackling the universal problem of wrinkled clothing without the usual hassle. Performance is where the HiLIFE Steamer aims to impress, boasting a robust 700-watt heating element. This power translates into a rapid heat-up time. The unit is ready to produce steam in under a minute. The resulting vapor is a consistent and strong penetrating steam that effectively relaxes fabric fibers, allowing wrinkles to visibly melt away from most materials, including cotton, silk, and wool. The steamer operates with a continuous steam function, activated by a simple button press, which provides an uninterrupted flow for efficient wrinkle removal. This feature is a significant advantage over irons that require constant refilling and reheating, streamlining the process of making clothes look crisp and professionally cared for without the risk of scorching delicate fabrics. A standout feature of this garment steamer is its generous 240 milliliters water tank capacity. This large volume is a practical advantage, allowing for extended steaming sessions without the need for frequent interruptions to refill. In practice, this capacity provides enough steam to refresh multiple garments, several shirts, a dress, or a suit on a single fill, making it highly efficient for weekly preparation or last-minute outfit changes. The water tank is transparent, enabling users to easily monitor the water level, and it features a wide opening that simplifies the filling process while minimizing spills. This design consideration enhances the user experience, making the chore of de-wrinkling clothing far less tedious. It is absolutely crucial to note the HiLIFE Steamer's specific electrical requirement, clearly stated as only for 120 volts. This means the appliance is designed exclusively for use in countries like the United States and Canada that utilize a standard 120-volt electrical outlet. Attempting to plug this steamer into a 220 to 240-volt outlet commonly used in Europe, Asia, and other regions will immediately and irreparably damage the device, rendering it useless and creating a serious safety hazard. This limitation significantly restricts its usability for international travelers unless they also invest in a heavy and bulky voltage converter, which largely defeats the purpose of its portable design. In conclusion, the HiLIFE Steamer for clothes is a highly effective and user-friendly appliance that excels in its intended purpose. Its powerful steam output, large water capacity, and quick heat-up time make it a formidable tool for maintaining a polished appearance. The convenience of its handheld design is its greatest asset, offering a simpler and often safer alternative to a traditional iron for a wide range of fabrics. However, its utility is severely geographically limited by its 120-volt only power requirement, making it an impractical purchase for consumers outside of North America and other 120-volt regions. For the right user in the correct location, it is a valuable and efficient garment care tool.